Welcome to my channel Happy Crochet Club. Today we will make toddler scarf, but can make at any size, adult size, any size. I used Aran yarn or number 4 worsted weight yarn, bluebell and 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. Before we made hat and now we making scarf. I made chain 10. You make for this scarf I have chain 20 plus 1, 21 chains. If you want more wide, will be 40 chains plus 1. I made small to save time. Here just one row repeat. So you make how wide you like. And then chain 1, very first skip. Next second chain from hook, single crochet. And single crochet in each chain. I have 10 single crochet. Then chain, this you will repeat the same one round. Repeat, chain 1, turn your work, very first stitch, the same stitch, single crochet. Next, here in the middle, this stitch, so back loop, single crochet, back loop, back loop, back, very last stitch will be both loops, regular single crochet, both loops. And again repeat the same, chain 1, turn your work, very first both loops, regular single crochet, next back loops, back loop, back loop, back loop, the same how we made here for hat. Very last stitch, both loops, both. See here back, here both. Chain 1, turn, then repeat again the same how long scarf you like to make. If you first time on my channel and you like to make this hat and scarf set, then this hat you can find here in the corner, there are link. You can make this hat and scarf will be set. Thank you for watching my channel and see you soon.